Hello everyone, we are from group 11 and today I am going to explain two examples related to classification of neural networks. So here first example, we can see that this example is taken from the GTU Summer 2018 paper. We had given problem statement is calculate the weight using neural network single layer perceptron model. We are given three inputs x0, x1, x3 with bias value and its respective weights, which are shown here. W1 is equals to 30, W2 is equals to 300, our bias value is 50, eta is equals to 0.01 and x0 is plus 1. We are given activation function where if answer of x comes is equals to 0 or greater than 0, then activation function we will consider as plus 1. Or if our x value will go for negative, then our activation function will be minus 1. So there are two problems which we need to solve. First is calculate x2 from x1 is equals to 100 and if x1 is equals to 200. The second problem is if bias b0 is equals to minus 1, 2, 3, 0, then recalculate x2 for x1 is equals to 100 and x1 is equals to 200. So single layer perceptron is a feed forward network based on the threshold function. According to it, we will calculate our first problem where we saw that activation function will be considered as 1 if x greater than or equal to 0 and minus 1 if x less than 0. So first of all, we will assume we have a linear separated data set where W is a set of weight with W0, W1, W2, where W0 will be considered as a bias. Now x1 is a set of input parameter for x0, x1 and x2. When x0 is a fixed at 1 accommodate to the bias. Here you can see the figure where x0 will be considered as our first input and its respective weight is W0 which will be considered as a bias value. Our second input is the x1 with 100 and its respective weight is W1 is equals to 30. And we need to find out input x on weight W2 is equals to 300 and when x1 is equals to 100. So our first problem x1 is equals to 100. So we need to calculate the output with the help of formula W0 x0 plus W1 x1 plus W2 x2. By putting all the given value, we will able to achieve t is equals to 50 plus 300, 3000 plus 300 x2, which can also be written as 3050 plus 300 x2. After applying activation formula, we can say that the t can give us only positive value, due to which our activation function answer will be considered as a 1 because our x value is greater than or equal to 0. That's why 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus t, which is activation formula, is equals to 1. Evaluating this whole process, we will able to achieve our final step x2 is equals to 300 is equal to 3050 and calculating it we get our x2 is equals to 10.16 when x1 is equals to 100. Now we have to calculate the another scenario where x1 is equals to 200. Here is the same figure, only 200 is replaced by the 100 for x1. Calculating the x2 with the same procedure, first we will calculate the output with W0 x0 plus W1 x1 plus W2 x2. Input all the given values in the formula and we will achieve t is equals to 6050 plus 300 W2. Applying the activation formula, here we had written 1 because t will surely give us positive value And according to activation function, if x is equals to greater than or equals to 0, then we have to write 1 as our answer. That's why apply first of all activation formula 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus 3 minus t is equals to 1. Evaluating the whole process, we will get our final equation 300 W2 is equals to 6050, where we can get our x2 value is equals to 20.16 when x1 is 200. Now we have to solve the problem statement 2, where bias value B0 is equals to minus 1230 is given. So on basis of this particular bias value, we have to calculate our x1. So we have to calculate our x2 when x1 is 100 and x2 again when x1 is 200. First of all, we will carry out the same formula W0 x0 plus W1 x1 plus W2 x2, where t is equals to 1, our input value x0 and our bias value W0 is equals to B0 minus 1230 plus 3000. Here you can see the figure. We had written 100 as the input value x1 and its respective weight 30. So when we multiply W1 x1, we will get the 3000, and 300 x2 when we will multiply the x2 with its respective weight W2. We will able to get the t is equals to 1770 is equals to 300 x2. Apply again activation function on it. As here no negative value is available or sign is available, that means t will give us a positive value. On basis of that, we had written 1 over here. Apply activation formula 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus t is equals to 1. Again evaluate this particular formula by putting minus t value which we had calculated, and finally we will able to achieve this equation 300 x2 is equals to 1770, where we can get x2 is equals to 1770.300 and our final value of x2 will be 5.9 when bias value is minus 1230 and x1 is 100. Similarly, the same procedure will be carried out when x1 is equals to 200 and bias value is minus 1230. We will get our x2 value 15.9.